So what's up guys, welcome back to Dream Academia. Myself Varkoprabha Acharya, and today in this video we'll be unleashing a set of surprises for all our students, and also we'll be sharing the latest updates regarding the WBJE examination 2021 which we have received till now. So guys, do watch the video completely and also share it completely among all your friends so that they can also get the news and also benefit from the schemes which we are going to launch now. So guys, without much ado, let us dive straight into the facts. So guys, as you all must be aware of the fact, on last 24th of May we had launched our first WBJ 2021 free mock test, and it was a huge success because of the fact that some 100 plus participants had registered for the exam, but however some 30 students, if I'm not wrong, had appeared for the test. And they, as far as the feedback received from our students, it has been an amazing experience for them, and we have already declared the results on 6th June, and we have made the participants the result list. But also in this video I'll be sharing the names of all the first three participants who scored the top points. The first position has been occupied by Nitish Kumar, the second position has been occupied by Bitan Jha, and the third position has been occupied by Rishikesh Das. Congratulations to all three of you. We wish that you all will be getting all the success that you wish for in the near future, and also we wish loads of success for all those who have participated in this mock test. We hope that it was a great learning experience for you all. We are always available in the Telegram group to solve any doubts arising out of that mock test. So feel free to contact us through our Telegram group. The link is in the description box. Please click the link and join the Telegram group. So guys, motivated by the amazing response received from all our students, we have also decided to launch the second of the series of the WBJ Mock Test 2021, and we are glad to announce that on 16th of June 2021 we will be organizing the second completely free WBJ 2021 mock test, and based on the latest pattern of WBJE, and I repeat, it's completely free of cost. You don't need to do anything. You just need to click on the link in the description box, and that's it. Fill up your information, the basic information which we need, and you are registered for the mock test. But what I will be requesting is that if you are registering for the mock test, then do attempt the mock test, because we have limited number of seats, like last time also we have limited number of seats this time also. So if you are registering for it, please attempt the mock test seriously. We have also taken a lot of pain in preparing the question paper and making it absolutely in pattern with the latest WBJ 2021 exam format. So guys, do share the video among your friends so that they can also attempt the paper, and in this way what will happen is that if most of your friends and other batchmates attempt the paper, then you will be getting a fair idea of your level of preparation, because the more the number of people, the better it is to judge your rank among them. So guys, what I would request you is that you yourself register for the test and get the idea of the question paper, and also share it among your friends so that they can also benefit from this. Now, but as far as the details of the examination are concerned, we have already made a detailed video regarding the modalities to be followed during the examination for the first test. The link is in the description box. You can watch that video to get to know the details of that exam procedure. The procedure remains the same. Everything remains the same. Only the fact that we will be allowing only tab sharing this time. No camera and anything will be enabled. So because last time due to network problems, some of the students couldn't complete the paper. So this time we will be being a bit lenient on that, and and everything else remains the same. Only the date is 16th June. Keep that in mind. Keep the day empty. You will only be needing 2 hours for the maths paper and 2 hours physics paper, just like the actual WBJE pattern. And I can assure you that this will benefit you a lot in your preparation level. Now guys, moving on to the next part, that is the latest updates regarding West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination 2021. So you all already know the fact that the CBSE class 10 and 12 exams have been cancelled. The West Bengal board has cancelled the board examinations for the class 10 as well as the class 12 recently. So that brings you a lot of concern to the fact that WBJE should get postponed. Now, let me bring you some more facts regarding why WBJ should get postponed. The most important fact is that the WBJ is an offline examination which is held mostly, it means the exam centers are mostly in schools and colleges, which are now probably converted into safe homes and also to some rehabilitation centers in South Bengal due to the storm. And after that, another point number two is that the corona cases are going down. I understand, but still it is not under control. The medical infrastructure is not at all good enough, and also vaccines are not easily available as of now. So you need to wait a bit again. And number three, if the board exams like CBSC and WB, CHSC can be cancelled, that is, these are important examinations. But if they can get cancelled, then you can understand the fact that the competitive exams also need to wait a little bit. But as you know that the government has clarified one thing, that these examinations will not get cancelled, they will be held, but at the stipulated time. You will be informed of the time some 15 days before the examination. So guys, from the above facts which I have told you, it is very much obvious that it is very difficult to conduct WBJE on 11th of July, because it is also an offline examination. And now regarding the probable dates, it should take place sometime towards the middle of August or end of August, or at most towards the beginning of September. Depends actually on the new dates of JEE main. And now since board exams can't be held, then it's a difficult situation for the WBJ board also. I should suppose that it will get postponed. So prepare accordingly. And one thing, guys, I should tell you that you should not waste too much time regarding means pondering on the fact whether WBG will be held on 11th July, whether it will be postponed, when it will be held. That's not your that's not your domain. It's the domain of the government of West Bengal. So what you should do is that you'll have to just keep yourself updated a bit, and for that we are always there. Means all the YouTube channels are there, and if in case you get in we get any of the updates, we'll be sharing it with you, and also you'll be able to find it on the TV channels and news channels. So don't waste your entire day behind tweeting about the postponing exams, or watching the latest videos on YouTube. It's of no use. Rather, I will advise you that besides studying, keep yourself motivated somehow. That is, you can do so by watching college reviews, or watching the campus tours of IITs, NITs, and Jadavpur, and all the other top colleges, the dream colleges. And in that way, you will be getting the motivation to study. If you watch too much about these postponement videos, then you will only yourself get demotivated. Rather, keep yourself motivated and entertained. Talk to your friends and family members. They will always be staying by your side. Also, we at Dream Academy are ready to help you in any sort you need. Just join the Telegram group through the link in the description box, and we are always just a click away. And that is all which I can say at this point of time. If you need any form of assistance, do drop us a text in the Telegram group. We are always ready. And also do share this video among all your friends so that they can also attempt the test and you get a fair idea of your level of preparation. So that's all for now, guys. I'll be meeting you again back in a fresh video. So guys, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, rock the examinations with Dream Academia, and also best of luck for the upcoming mock test of Dream Academia, and loads of congratulations and luck for once again for those who excelled in the previous mock test. We are always there by you to help you in any form you need. Thank you.